Sir Robin Saxby, founder ARM Technology, Sir Julian Young, past president of IET, Dr. Rishi Bhatnagar, chair IET Future Technology panel and president, Aris Communications, Shri Shekhar Sanyal, country head and director, IET India, other office bearers of IET, ladies and gentlemen. I sincerely thank IET for kindly giving me this opportunity to address this auspicious event, the Future Tech Congress. The theme of the event, decoding of the demand of tomorrow's customers, rightly captures the need of the hour, of what people seek and expect and how the technology can cater to their needs. Science and technology are the key drivers of economic growth and human development. As India marches ahead on a sustainable development pathway that includes socio-economic and environmental sustainability towards achieving Atmanirbhar Bharat, greater focus on development of indigenous technologies and grassroots level innovations would be required. The emergence of disruptive and impactful future technologies pose new challenges but brings greater opportunities. New technologies have opened up myriad applications and influences critical sectors such as health, environment, education, food, energy, climate change, water. Futuristic technologies such as artificial intelligence, blockchain, robotics, Internet of Things, digital twins, quantum computing, amongst all others are taking center stage in creating new opportunities across sectors such as manufacturing, healthcare, fintech, mobility, defense and more, alongside the proven technologies like cloud computing, big data analytics, etc. Future technologies are creating a transformational impact in India, changing the paradigm for industries, making India as competent as other developed countries. A great opportunity awaits with the emergence of 5G technology, as communication in the present day shows pathway towards progress. This technology is supposedly the turning point in the sectors, namely healthcare, education, consumer electronics, mobility, digital contents and many more. With the fusion of technologies like 5G, artificial intelligence and IoT, significant changes can be optimized in the industrial operations, enhancing the opportunity of factory automation and remote control industrial robots. Public safety and security system is one such sector that may find enhanced technical support based on emergency services by drones and robots. Likewise, healthcare division may find improved remote health monitoring and prevention of illness and provide remote diagnosis at emergency conditions. Path-breaking advancements in transportation and logistics sector can be achieved as the new technologies will enable the operation of AI-based driving assistance and traffic monitoring systems. One of the key technology amending the pathway of progress of human civilization is quantum computing. Quantum applications are transforming how we live, work and play. Technologies like quantum sensors, quantum computers and quantum information security are emerging from labs around the world, and we are already seeing the tremendous possibilities. It finds application in key technology applications, namely cyber security, drug development, financial modeling, battery technology, fertilizer, traffic optimization, weather forecasting and climate changes and many more. IoT technology has progressed at a very fast pace and has become an integral part of our daily lives through applications such as intelligent tracking system in transportation, industrial wireless automation, public safety, personal health monitoring and health care for the aged community. The potential is seemingly endless. Introduction of IoT in India has brought the next level industrial revolution, also known as Industry 4.0. IoT plays a leading role in evolving IoT business and technology context besides the new Digital India program launched by the government. Similarly, the sectors of blockchain, digital twins, machine learning, virtual reality, augmented reality are also taking shape in the upcoming industrial transformation. Digital revolution in India projects towards multi-trillion-dollar innovative platforms, and alongside their convergence, the advancement towards a better tomorrow is inevitable. An aggregated annual economic impact of digital technology in the year 2025 can be estimated to be 15 to 36 trillion US dollars. Advancement in healthcare sector is an undeniable fact for the nation's sustainable growth. Though a critical scenario can be observed based on geographical distribution of the healthcare facilities in the country, where urban areas constitute 60% of the hospital facilities, digital advancements can open the pathway in the healthcare benefits can be forwarded to masses. Diagnosis of patients with advanced devices based on IoT, that is Internet of Medical Things, technology will impart better healthcare approach to the fellow citizens. Connected implants and medical devices are the next level technologies that can monitor patient's medical condition and at the same time give feedback in closed loop connected systems to assess the medication of the individual. The recent pandemic has already paved the way to technological enhancements in healthcare sector like AI, chatbots, robotics, telehealth and 5G expansions, digital front door and many more. Machine learning, AI and digital platforms provide complementary assistance to healthcare providers regarding diagnosis and decision making, implementing evidence-based critical guidelines. Let us talk about agriculture. Agriculture acts as a backbone for the country, addressing the critical aspects like food security, textile and many more. Future technologies in the agriculture sector will take the high-end solutions to different agriculture communities in order to promote sustainable farming. The power of data precision through artificial intelligence, blockchain and Internet of Things can be leveraged to provide real-time synchronization of supply and demand. Farmers face tremendous difficulties with regard to providing nourishment for the ever-developing population, like challenges from environmental change, floods, dry season and desertification, misfortune of biodiversity, bugs and ailments. The problems are well known, but have persisted, calling for technology intervention to break the status quo. Use of AI-based sowing app to recommend farmers on the sowing date, land preparation, soil test bed fertilization, farmyard manure application, seed treatment, optimum sowing depth, etc. shows the upcoming change in the sector. This has resulted in 30% increase in average crop yield per hectare. Next area I would like to touch upon is aviation. New age digital technologies are constantly reshaping how airlines operate today. Digital innovations will continue to transform the aviation industry. Many airlines have recently been betting on immersive technologies such as metaverse, augmented reality, virtual reality, etc. Contributions of some of the advanced technologies in the aviation sectors are blockchain technology, which helps sharing of data at multiple checkpoints, avoiding leakage of data at any point of time in the cycle that can affect the user experience, revenue and even put passenger safety at risk. Augmented reality and virtual reality, which gives an experience which is being enhanced nowadays with AR VR technologies. For example, the Gatwick Airport in the UK uses AR to help travelers navigate through the complex layout of the airport. Augmented reality technology is used by the London Heathrow to assist the air traffic controllers in keeping the planes safe. Artificial intelligence simulators coupled with virtual reality systems provide pilots with more realistic simulation experience during training. AI-powered solutions optimize flight path in real time by assessing and alerting, if needed, about the fuel level, system status, weather conditions and other crucial parameters. AI-driven chatbots are already used by 14% of airlines and 9% of the airports, with 68% of airlines planning to introduce in the recent times. The fourth one is robotics. The use of robotics has gone beyond as a customer-facing technology in several terminals. They can perform functions like presenting useful airport facility information and weather forecasts in different destinations. Next thing is the Internet of Things. The airline industry has taken to the IoT revolution by building a seamless ecosystem. For example, airlines have implemented IoT in a manner that every single element is attached to a wireless network and delivers real-time IoT data on performance and maintenance. There are mobile solutions. Smartphones are an integral part of everyone's life, and the airline industry has started using this to connect with its passengers, starting from the flight booking to takeoff. The digital revolution of the aviation industry has just begun and has already changed its landscape, thanks to these emerging technologies that are reshaping it in every aspect. Now, I would like to touch upon aerospace and defense. Transition into the next industrial revolution 4.0 foresees the escalated impact of digitization and gives a clear and compelling case for aerospace and defense companies to leverage such technologies throughout their organizations. The key strategy for aerospace sector would be to take advantage of the digital transformation and reduce development cycles for new programs alongside realizing the economic growth. Modifications in the aerospace workforce is likely to be enabled with big data driven quality control algorithms based on historical data to identify quality issues and have the potential to reduce product failures. Similar advancements can be made in robot assisted production, self-driven logistics vehicles, production line simulation, smart supply network, predictive maintenance, self-organizing production, additive manufacturing of complex parts, and augmented work, maintenance and service. Within the defense ecosystem, futuristic technologies are shaping the future battlefields, strengthening the defense manufacturing and design, system engineering, program planning, cyber defense and operational performance to manage effectively the complexities. There have been numerous collective efforts put on by the services, Defense Research and Development Organization DRDO, defense public sector undertakings, IDEX, startups and the private industry in the past in the field of future technologies to fulfill the technological needs of the country, specifically for welfare, development and peace of humanity. It is a matter of time that we will observe AI and robotics to impact virtually every aspect of military operations. Every sector of land, sea, air, space and cyber fronts will technically experience the emergence of future technologies. There are 5 pillars of human-machine collaboration which can be foreseen. One of them is autonomous deep learning machine system. These are able to see the patterns through the chaff of hybrid warfare to give early warning that something is happening in grey zone conflict. Such learning systems might fill in the gap in the fields such as air defense or cyber defense. Second one is human-machine collaboration. This will include the promotion of so-called centaur warfighting teams, combining the strategic analysis of a human with the tactical acuity of a computer. Third one is the assisted human operations, where wearable electronics, unloadable combat apps, heads-up displays, exoskeletons and other systems can enable humans on the front line to perform better in combat. Fourth one is advanced human-machine combat teaming. In this case, a human working with unmanned systems is able to take better decisions and undertake cooperative operations such as Army's Apache and Grey Eagle UAV systems which are designed to operate in conjunction. Progress has been made in drone motherships, electronic warfare networks or swarming systems which are completely a new era of expertise. Fifth one is the network enabled semi-autonomous weapons where systems are both linked and hardened to survive cyber attack. Moreover, with the advancement in communication systems and the emergence of 5G, 6G technologies, focused research will augment the defense network systems and functioning based on artificial neural network or IoT applications. To conclude, the government is focused towards creating roadmaps that can enhance the potential of future tech in India that can significantly influence employment, security, social equity and global relations. It is working on different fronts to modernize and equip its forces with state-of-the-art technologies. Initiatives such as Digital India, Atmanirbhar Bharat specifically have been progressive steps towards defense manufacturing, R&D, startup support, funding opportunities and more, promoting innovation and technological transformation in India. Indian science and technology policies post-independence were predominantly rooted in the ideas of self-reliance and indigenous development across the sectors. Though such endeavors, India's capacity in inclusive and frugal innovation has been recognized in the global innovation discourse. I would like to make a note to the conference. Organizations like IET created neutral and credible platforms for the industry, academia and government to come together and build a roadmap for futuristic technologies. India is a country that produces over 1.5 million engineers year after year, a number that is only climbing. It means that some of the best tech talents in the industry are in India, and that is not all. India is also the leading sourcing destination in the world, accounting for over 55% of the market share of the US sourcing business. Thus, it would be tremendous advantage if IIT can inspire indigenous development of novel technologies and algorithms among the country's talent pool. I wish IIT all the best in guiding within in-depth insights on technology to build a better tomorrow and helping enhance collaboration in various areas including science and technology. The IET Future Tech Congress is best positioned to create a sustainable technology roadmap for India. We really need the events like Future Tech Congress where relevant stakeholders from the entire ecosystem from upcoming fields like AI, blockchain, digital twin come together. I extend my support and best wishes to the IET to engineer a better world. I hope this event is a grand success. Thank you. Namaskar.